Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Ralias, and in this video I'll be sharing how to make YouTube thumbnails for free using Canva. Let's get right into it. Canva is a graphic design website that allows you to create professional looking designs for your videos, blogs, social media and more. It's user-friendly and it has a wide variety of templates and tools to help you create stunning designs even if you don't have any design experience. In my previous video, I talked about Canva templates and I talked briefly on how you can use the templates, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a thumbnail using Canva custom thumbnail. To get started, you need to sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can browse available templates and tools. For this, we'll be using the YouTube thumbnail templates. The YouTube thumbnail template is already optimized in the size that YouTube requires. So you can customize the templates by adding your own text, images, and graphics. For this video, I'll be making a thumbnail for this video. And this is what I'll do. I already have the image and I already have what I want to be written on my thumbnail. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it and upload it to your YouTube video. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial really helpful and you can now create custom thumbnails for free using Canva. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mic check. Mic check, video check, everything check. And in this video, I'll be sharing, what will I be sharing? Movement, right? Now tell me why the hell